Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Paul Sambo. In this video, I'm going to share 5 websites that will make you make money online even if you don't have capital or with little capital. Most of the websites that I'm going to show you today, you don't need to have capital or expensive tools to start your business. What you need is just a skill. So if you have a skill, and some of them you don't need even a skill, you can outsource the skill. You can outsource on different platforms. So if you want to learn more about this, stay with me to the end of this video. Number 1 website is Redbubble. Redbubble is a print-on-demand platform or print-on-demand website. Now, how can you make money with this website? You can make money by designing t-shirts or by selling masks and other printables. So there are so many people who are making money on Redbubble. What you need, you don't need even capital. What you need is a skill. So you don't need capital to start your business on Redbubble on print-on-demand. What you need is just a skill. Also, if you don't have a skill, you can hire people on Fiverr or Upwork or people per hour. So even if you don't have a skill, still you can make money online. So having no capital or money or fancy tools, whatever, should not be an excuse because Redbubble is there to save talents. So if you have a talent, design is a talent. Also, even if you don't have a talent, you can hire different platforms like Fiverr and Upwork or people per hour. So you can sell t-shirts, you can sell other printables on Redbubble and make money without having startup capital. The number 2 platform is Skillshare. Skillshare website help you as a teacher or a tutor to sell your skill on their platform. Now, how people are making money on Skillshare? On Skillshare, people are designing tutorials or preparing tutorials, teaching a particular skill or a particular issue. Then, when people watch your videos or your tutorials, you are going to be paid because there are subscribers on their platform that pay monthly subscription. So if they watch your tutorials, it can be any. You can teach about Photoshop, you can teach about whatever skill you want. There are people who are in need of that skill that you have. So don't beat yourself down. Even that skill, regardless what kind of the skill, even cooking, you can teach and upload your tutorials on Skillshare and earn money there. So you can earn passive income for a very long period of time on Skillshare. And you can earn even when you are asleep. That's the beauty of internet. So if you have any skill, you can. The number 3 website is Etsy. I think most of you are familiar with Etsy. On Etsy, you can sell multiple products. You can sell physical products and also allows you to sell printables. So the beauty of Etsy is that Etsy has loyal customers, like Amazon. It's like Amazon. There are so many customers that are waiting for your designs or your products so that they can buy. So you don't need also a capital because if you sell printables, what you need is just a designing skill. As I have told you that even if you don't have a designing skills, still you can hire people on Upwork, on Fiverr, and the people per hour. So also you can excel on Etsy. Etsy is a very good platform because it has so many loyal customers. Number 4 website is Teespring. Teespring is like Redbubble. It's a print-on-demand website. But what differentiates Teespring from Redbubble is that on Teespring, a designer or a seller has more freedom on controlling the price. So the earnings are higher than on Redbubble. So you can set, and some are earning even if you sell one design, it can be one t-shirt, you can get even $10 or above, sometimes even $15 because there's more, a designer or a seller has more control on Teespring than Redbubble. Redbubble usually tend to set automatically their prices, but on Teespring there's more freedom and there are higher commissions. So also if you have a designing skill, also even if you don't have a designing skill, still you can hire on people per hour, on Fiverr, and Upwork, and other platforms. So number 5 is Shopify. Shopify is a very good platform or website for entrepreneurs, especially in e-commerce, those who are dealing with e-commerce. So on Shopify, you can sell your own physical products. Also, you can sell printables. That's the website which is very simple to use, so you can build a very scalable business on Shopify than other platforms. I prefer a lot Shopify because even if you don't have a designing skill, a website designing skill, you are not a tech savvy, still you can create a very, very good website on Shopify and start scaling your business worldwide. So you can sell physical products and you can sell printables. And the beauty of that also, you can learn a dropshipping business using their platform. And you can buy products on AliExpress, on DHgate or Alibaba, and ship direct to the customers wherever they are in the world and set your own prices. So you get, if you like this video and if you want me to make more videos about this, hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video. Thank you.